What we have here is the HBX 16886. The HBX 168886, and we're going to take it for a little jaunt. I'll turn off the switch here, and then I'll turn on the lights. Look at that, eh? If I turn on the radio, it'll bind and stop. It'll get solid. There we go. We're going to take it for a little jaunt. Here we go. Here we go, the HBX 16886. Turn it on. Bind it. Now the lights are going. Here we go. Four-wheel drive little vehicle. It's colder than you know what out here. So let's see what it can do. Wow. Going pretty good. Not as fast as the other 124018, but pretty cool. Look at those lights coming in. Why don't we take it up the snow here a bit? See what it can do in there. Go on the pavement. Wow. We're around here. Wow. Oh yeah, this thing turns pretty good. Oh yeah. This thing rocks, man. The light's coming right at you here. Wow, turns nice. Very nice. Look at that, eh? Coming at you there with the lights. I'll turn around. Really good turning radius, man. Really good. Try and speed her up that snow right there. Whoa, we did it. Got it. Let me see what I can do. I think I can take up one of these ones here. Yeah, if I can go scooping up that one, I can go right over. So we're gonna need a good run at it. Let me see here. Ooh, that was a nice little flip almost. Here we go. Can you do it? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Over and around. Over and around. Yes, we made it through the snow. I kicked ass. That was awesome. Get a good run at it, man. Yeah, this reminds me of the old days. Bashing these buggers up. Oh yeah, that was sweet. Let it go up. There we go. Get over to that track. Oh yeah. Look at this, man. That is cool. Now we're doing her. This is sick. Oh yeah. Circles. Yeah, baby. Rip it up. Go that way. And turn it. Come on down. Perfect time of the evening actually for those lights, eh? Turn it quick. See the turning radius? You can go like large or watch really quick, or you can turn slow like that, right? Let's go in the grass. Yeah, it's kicking. It's doing the grass too. Look at that. Go in this grass right over to the pavement. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice car. Here we go. Come back, turn. So let's give it a radius of a large turn. Okay, we're gonna go slow and a large. Let's see how it holds fast. That's not that large. So let's try it again. Go like that and very slow. Go around. And then we're gonna try shorter one. Okay. Now we're gonna come close here and do it. We'll try it shorter like this. And I'm gonna have it gunning in it, and then I'm gonna turn it and see if it flips. Right close to me. We're gonna turn it sharp. No, it holds it, man. It holds it. Wow. These cars are made so much better than before, man. It's like deadly. Look at that. Well, it's getting pretty cold out here, so I think I'm gonna have to head off. Wow. That was JDS Klein Canuck for the HBX. That's the HBX 16886. Turn off all the lights there. Awesome, man. Awesome car. Awesome car. You saw what it did in the snow and on the track there. This is quite the little basher. Oh my goodness. I'll have to get some ramps and everything in the summer there to really get it going. Anyways, this off of there so you can get a good look at the back and front there. I like to do that. Look at the suspension in there, right? Look at that. Lots of snow here too, eh? Look at that. I was out on the snow and everything and caught a little bit of puddles. This thing is wild, just wild. I'm loving it. Just loving it. It's a great car. Look at the little guys in there too, eh? They're freezing their butts off. Actually, they don't have seat warmers. So there's a spare tire on the back, and these are foam filled, eh? But as you can see, it's sturdy, and you saw the turns. Pretty cool. Really nice steering. Okay, put that right there like that. Get a last look. What are my thoughts? 2 thumbs up. The 124018 is a totally different car. This is very nice. It's sort of like in the same ballpark, but not really. But it's good. It's not as fast, but it's really good. Anyways, that's JDS Flying Canuck. Over and out. Take care.